सनाया फ्रेंड है मेरी जो होस्ट कर रही है। सो उसने मेरी प्रॉपर्टी का पहले तो फ़ोटोज़ भेजे कि यहाँ पे अभी मैं पार्टी होस्ट कर रही हूँ। तो बहुत ही मस्त लगा मुझे फ़ोटोज़ में आके भी देख रहा हूँ तो इट्स अ गुड प्रॉपर्टी और बहुत ही पॉजिटिव वाइब्स हैं। तो आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ ग्रेट पार्टी अब से इससे।
वीकेंड पे वैकेशन पे इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है काफ़ी इस तरह के रेस्टोरेंट और बार यूज़ होना, कितना यूज़ करने वाले हो दमन कल्चर को?
क्या मैं तो अब जैसे दमन में काफ़ी आदमी वापी में मेरे बहुत फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो अब जब वापी आऊँगा तो फ्रेंड्स को यहाँ पे लेके आऊँगा।
We are coming Daman and fingers crossed because काफ़ी एक्सपेक्टेशन म्यूजिक इतना बढ़िया चल रहा है. So that's it from our side. I'll see you when I see you guys. I'll see you up.
बढ़िया चल रहा है, जल्दी से निकलते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hi, मेरा नाम अर्शन मेहता है and I'm an actor. I'm a chartered accountant by qualification and मैंने काफ़ी काम किया है इंडस्ट्री में, वेब सीरीज, मूवीज़, बहुत सारे एड्स किए हैं, एल्बम्स किए हैं and here I am on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to all of you and बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है दमन में कुछ ऐसा and very close to Bombay. So I guess normally जब हम वीकेंड में सोचते हैं कि कहाँ जाना, I think now we have a place, Daman Culture, where we can all go out here with family or clubbing with friends. I think it's going to be fun and congratulations to the whole team of Daman Culture.
Thank you. So it's a great event. I have a sore throat, but I'm ready to party, and the place is looking amazing. The ambience is amazing, and so are the vibes.
काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है हर इवेंट हर वैकेशन के लिए इस तरह का रेस्टोरेंट है, कितना इन्जॉय करोगे आगे चल के इसमें?
बहुत ज़्यादा एक लॉन्ग ड्राइव भी हो जाएगी और पार्टी भी हो जाएगी क्योंकि मुंबई से काफ़ी पास है एंड इतनी अच्छी जगह है, तो आई एम श्योर एवरीवन इज गोइंग टू हैव अ ब्लास्ट. यू कैन कम विद योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली. इट्स अमेजिंग.
दमन कल्चर वन नाइट यू आर हियर.
It's a beautiful place in Daman. It's quite unique. The interiors is bomb and the drinks are amazing. So I think it's a good place to be. It's very different compared to other hotels in Daman and it's just beautiful all its own.
One night and you are here. What do you want to say about how excited you are?
I am very excited actually. When Palak told me that you have to be here on the 25th, there's no other plan. And when I saw the pictures, I was really excited.
Any weekend, any vacation is important to visit this type of place. So कितने यूज़ करने वाले हो आप this दमन culture?
Definitely, I'm going to come back again soon. Looking forward to come back in the new years.
So good to see you, sir. Daman culture first day, first night. How excited you are? You are the owner of this.
I'm super excited. I see the crowd enjoying here, and this is one of the places which we've built, and we've been actually building it since past 6 months here. We've been working day and night, and you know what we've built has been beyond our expectations, or the kind of feedbacks we are getting from the people here.
Tell us about the thought process. How can you open these types of bar and restaurants in this place?
See, the idea of opening Daman culture in Daman was that Daman predominantly has been about, you know, bars which were more on orchestra based and more on the old school based, wherein, you know, there were only basic restaurants and bars. There was never a vibe, there was never a culture wherein, you know, there was never an entire experience kind of bars. There was never good cocktails here. So we actually built something which was, our priority was to build a great ambience, great cocktails, have great food, and create the entire atmosphere which actually attracts the people.
There are so many celebrities and influencers are there. So क्या उनका response कैसा था इस?
They are loving it. I don't know if they're going to go home tonight, and I think I'll have to speak with the cops and make sure that, you know, they party here till late.
If we talk about the uniqueness of this bar and restaurant, so what it is?
See, the idea of building Daman culture was to build, when we started with the thought that we always thought that, you know, we would try to change what Daman is seeing till now. So that's why our first campaign was always Daman is changing. And I think that, you know, the way we've actually made this entire concept, we've made sure that Daman is really changing, and I think all of them are agreeing to it.
Can we see this type of restaurant and bar in Bombay and other any cities?
Our next plan is to actually go to Goa, and you know, we are almost on the verge of finalizing a space in Goa, and we are coming up with Goa culture very soon. We already are a chain of 30 outlets in coffee culture, and this is a pivot model that where we've pivoted into a bar which is called Daman Culture, wherein we've taken a lot of elements of the local culture and built the bar which is still hip and happening.
And sir, lastly, any specific facility for the audiences, जनता?
See, what we've done is that हमने ground floor पे एक बहुत ही interactive bar create किया wherein the cocktails are made, wherein there is a lot of interaction between the bartender and the audience. Number one. On the first floor, we've actually created a private lounge wherein you can do parties and you can host your private parties. Then we have 2 rooftops. One rooftop is more about, just a cabana kind of a sitting wherein you can just chill and relax. And the second main rooftop deck, which has a huge bar and DJ console, wherein we would be hosting a lot of events. And the idea of Daman Culture was to create a green bar, and we've actually installed 1,000 planters here. The outlet is so green that we've gone green to that level that also into architecture we've actually taken a lot of sustainable material. We've taken a lot of green stuff here, and we are also trying to get in the green license of this entire space. And we've gone so green that we're also the first vegetarian bar.
So nice meeting with you, sir. And you want to say something more about it?
I think you should come here, unculture yourself, because Daman is changing, and we're just 2 hours away from Bombay, 2 hours away from Surat. We're very well located. It's a great vibe. Just take a mini vacation. Come here with your friends, family, gang, whatever. Thank you.
जैसे कि हमने देखा दमन में बहुत सारे डिफरेंट रेस्टोरेंट्स है, बार्स है, बहुत डिमांड है, तो आपका क्या कुछ डिफरेंट है, मतलब कंपेयर करें तो क्या आपका यूएसपी है?
सी अभी तक दमन में जितने भी बार्स हैं ना, वो बेसिकली बार और रेस्टोरेंट है. मतलब वो लोग सिर्फ नॉर्मली अच्छे स्ट्रेट ड्रिंक्स दे रहे हैं या तो फूड सर्व कर रहे हैं. What we've actually created is we've actually created a vibe wherein we're making sure that the cocktails are important. The cocktails, the kind of cocktails which we've created, there are a lot of botanical cocktails, there are a lot of cocktails which are very different and offbeat. We've also made sure that the entire vibe and ambience wherein you would also feel that you are somewhere in another place altogether. Then we also have rooftop. We have given very special detail to the music, because we make sure that once you're actually having great music, you would definitely enjoy the place. See, today we had around 53 celebrities from Bollywood. There was a mixed bag between television stars, Bollywood stars, and there were socialites, and overall it was a mixed bag of all of them. But on 31st we are not calling any celebrity, but we are calling a DJ which normally plays in Tomorrowland. Her name is Pretty Pink, and there is an entire lineup. We are actually creating an entire different experience of a party which has never happened in Daman. So that's the kind of vibe we are giving here on 31st. Thank you.